In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes in Canada using Turbotax. Whether you're new to the tax filing process or just need a refresher, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the steps with ease and confidence. Let's dive in. We'll start by navigating to the Turbotax official website. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL turbotax.intuit.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page with various options for tax filing. TurboTax offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface to help make the process as smooth as possible. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button located at the top of the page. If you already have an account, just enter your login details. If you're new to TurboTax, you can easily create an account by following the prompts to get started. Having an account allows you to save your progress and come back to it if needed, which can be particularly helpful during tax season when you're gathering all your documents. After signing in, navigate to the Tax Home section. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak. The Tax Home acts as your control center, giving you access to all the necessary forms and sections needed to file your taxes efficiently. Here you'll find options to input personal information, upload tax documents, and review your filing status. Now look for the option that says TurboTax Free Edition 2024. This version is an excellent choice if you're expecting a straightforward tax return with basic income and deductions. It's designed to handle simple tax situations without any added cost, making it ideal for students or anyone with basic filing needs. Once you're in the free edition, click on the Review/Edit section. This is a crucial step as it allows you to carefully review all the information you've entered. It's key to ensure everything is correct and complete. It's helpful to have all your tax documents, like your T4 slip, within reach to verify the details. From there, proceed to My Info. This section is where you'll fill in your personal details, such as your legal name, social insurance number, SIN, address, and other relevant information. This ensures that your tax return can be processed smoothly by the Canada Revenue Agency. Lastly, go to Personal Profile. This will include questions regarding your marital status, dependents, and other personal scenarios that might impact your tax filing. Answer these questions as accurately as possible as they determine which deductions and credits you might be eligible for. And there you have it, a simple guide to filing your taxes in Canada with TurboTax. Remember, always double check your entries and keep a printed copy of your filed return for your records. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth and successful filing process. Thank you for tuning in and happy tax filing.